Sure, here's the full 10,000 character English version of your detailed description, translated and adapted professionally for a broader audience under the title with Master Hassan, Ceramic and Marble Installation, Expert Skills for Small, Bathroom Shelf Design with Elegant Lighting. Hello and welcome, my name is Master Hassan, a seasoned craftsman in the art of ceramic and natural marble installation. With over 20 years of hands-on experience, I've worked on everything from luxury villas to modest family homes, turning functional spaces into elegant sanctuaries. Today, I'm taking you inside one of the most underrated yet impactful aspects of bathroom design, installing smart, stylish shelves in small bathrooms, complete with integrated lighting. Let me guide you through the craft, the technique, and the detail that transforms a small corner into a shining feature of your home. The bathroom isn't just a utility, it's a place of comfort. Many people think of the bathroom as nothing more than a utility space, just a place to clean up. But I've learned over the years that a well-designed bathroom, even a small one, becomes a source of peace and elegance. A neat shelf, a soft glow of light, the right choice of tile and marble. They all come together to create a space that feels organized and luxurious. This is where my craftsmanship becomes more than a trade. It becomes an art. First step, precise planning in a tight space. Small bathrooms require smart planning. Every centimeter counts. I don't rely only on the naked eye. I use professional tools. Laser measurements for precise wall dimensions, water levels and digital leveling tools, blueprint sketches that mark water lines, electricity and shelf positions before drilling. A single hole I analyze. Where should the shelf go? At what height? Is it better above the toilet or near the sink? How wide can it be without interfering with movement? Will it sit on ceramic or natural stone? Planning is the backbone of good craftsmanship. No guesswork, only precision. Material selection, quality, plus design material matters. A bathroom shelf isn't just functional. It must endure humidity, be easy to clean, and most importantly, look beautiful. Depending on the style and environment, I choose from tempered glass, clean, bright, and doesn't visually shrink the space. Moisture-resistant wood. Adds warmth, but must be treated with varnish or sealer. Natural marble. Heavy, luxurious, and ideal for bathrooms with marble finishes. Powder-coated aluminum or stainless steel. Sleek, waterproof, and great for modern looks. Even the color of the shelf matters. I harmonize it with the tile or marble pattern, lighting tone, and bathroom decor for a unified intentional finish. Installation, where craftsmanship speaks loudest. Now comes the hands-on part, the installation. To the untrained eye, it might seem simple, but real craftsmanship shines in the details. 1. Surface preparation. I start by thoroughly cleaning the wall, removing dust, moisture stains, or soap buildup. Before drilling, I tape the tile surface to prevent cracking and mark drilling points with a pencil. 2. Drilling and fixing. I make a pilot hole to test tile hardness. Using tile-specific drill bits, I drill gently, applying minimal pressure. I use rust-proof screws and plastic anchors to ensure durability. Every fixing point is sealed with water-resistant silicone to prevent moisture seepage. I align the shelf perfectly using my leveling tools. Millimeter precision is non-negotiable. Lighting, the touch of magic. Now, here's the secret that elevates everything. Lighting. A shelf is practical, but a shelf with subtle integrated lighting becomes a design feature. I use high-quality IP65 waterproof LED strips installed beneath or behind the shelf. The wires are concealed inside slim PVC channels, completely hidden from view. Then I give the client option. Motion sensor activation, connect to the main switch, rechargeable battery unit. For lighting color, I usually recommend warm white 3000K. For cozy spa-like vibes, natural white 4000K. Clean, bright, and modern. The lighting not only highlights the shelf, but reflects off tiles and marble to make the room feel more spacious and elegant. Harmony with tile and marble. This part is crucial. I never treat the shelf as a standalone item. It must flow with the tile and marble design. Imagine installing a transparent glass shelf in a classic Moroccan mosaic bathroom. It would feel out of place. Or using a traditional marble slab shelf in a sleek grey contemporary space. A visual mismatch. So I always ask, is the tile patterned or plain? What's the veining in the marble? Do we need contrast or continuity? Sometimes I use the same marble as the wall or countertop to craft a custom shelf, cut to size, polished and installed like it was born there. Finishing touches, where details make the difference. Before I pack my tools, I do a full inspection. I clean every corner, I recheck the alignment, I verify lighting operation. I make sure there are no gaps, visible wires or silicone spills. This is the point where my name goes on the wall, and I won't leave until it's perfect. A small shelf might take me 2 or 3 hours, but it will last for years. And more importantly, it will make the space function better and look beautiful. Final words from Master Hassan: installing shelves in small bathrooms is more than a technical job. It's a blend of problem-solving, aesthetic sense, and fine craftsmanship. When done right, a small space becomes a showpiece. With the right materials, proper lighting, and a thoughtful design, even the tightest bathroom corner can become the highlight of your home. If you're looking for expert shelf installation or need advice on your tile or marble work, I'm here, ready with my tools and years of experience. Thank you for trusting the craft. With Master Hassan, your bathroom is in expert hands. Let me know if you'd like this adapted into a video, script, Instagram post series, or marketing brochure. I can also localize it for American, British, or Middle Eastern audiences as needed. Here is a professional 5,000 character English description under the requested theme. With Master Hassan, ceramic and marble installation and elegant shelf crafting for small bathrooms with soft lighting. Hello, and I'm Master Hassan, a skilled artisan in the world of ceramic and natural marble installation, with over 2 decades of experience in turning ordinary spaces into refined, functional works of art. Today, I'm sharing with you the subtle but powerful art of installing elegant shelves in small bathrooms, complete with integrated lighting, a specialty that demands not only craftsmanship but creativity and precision. Small bathroom, big thinking. A small bathroom is a real design challenge. Every centimeter matters. There's no room for error or clutter. Before I start, I use professional tools, laser measuring devices for exact dimensions, digital levels for perfect alignments, blueprint sketches to mark electrical and plumbing, lines I carefully plan. Where should the shelf go to avoid blocking movement? What height is comfortable and safe? Should it be near the sink or above the toilet? What's behind the tiles, pipes, wiring, or concrete? This preparation is the heart of successful, safe installation. Choosing the right shelf material. Not all materials are equal, especially in a humid space like the bathroom. Tempered glass. Clean, modern, and space-enhancing water-treated wood. Warm and natural, but needs sealing. Polished marble. Luxurious and harmonizes with marble walls, aluminum or stainless steel. Sleek, durable, and contemporary. My role as a master installer is to match the shelf material to the room's tile, lighting, and style. Harmony is everything. The art of shelf installation. Installing a shelf isn't just about putting screws in the wall. It's about detail, structure, and safety. First, I clean and dry the wall thoroughly. I tape the tile before drilling to avoid cracks. I use tile-specific drill bits. Working slowly and steadily, I insert rust-resistant anchors and screws. I apply waterproof silicone to protect against leaks. The shelf is then leveled to perfection using digital tools. No crooked lines, no shaky surfaces, just pure balance. The power of integrated lighting. This is where real magic happens. A simple shelf becomes a design feature when lit the right way. I use waterproof LED strip lights, IP65, discreetly installed under or behind the shelf. Wiring is completely hidden inside slim PVC channels or grooves in the wall. You can choose motion sensor activation, standard switch connection, rechargeable battery system for color. I recommend warm white 3000K for a cozy spa-like feel, neutral white 4000K for brightness and clarity lighting, reflects off the tile or marble, making the room appear bigger, cleaner, and more luxurious. Matching the shelf with tile and marble. This part separates amateurs from true professionals. I never install a shelf that looks out of place. Instead, I ask, what's the tile pattern or marble veining? Is the finish glossy or matte? Should the shelf contrast or blend in? For example, a grey ceramic wall pairs beautifully with a floating glass or steel shelf. A gold-veined marble wall deserves a custom marble shelf cut from the same slab. Rustic stone calls for wood or textured metal, not shiny chrome. The result? A shelf that belongs there, not just one that was added. The final touch, finishing. Like a master, once the shelf is in place and the lighting is tested, perform a full inspection. No crooked lines, no exposed wiring, no silicone overflow, no fingerprints or dust. I'll clean everything. Adjust